Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on dental care with Aspen Dental, full guide step by step clearly. Saving on dental care is important for maintaining both your oral health and your budget. Aspen Dental offers a variety of options to help mitigate costs. Begin by researching Aspen Dental locations near you. Visit their official website to find a practice nearby. Once you locate a nearby office, schedule an appointment for a comprehensive exam. A thorough exam can help determine your dental needs and identify any preventive care options. Inquire about their new patient promotions or special offers available at the time of your visit. Consider signing up for the Aspen Dental Savings Plan. This plan provides discounts on various dental procedures for an annual fee. Make sure to ask about financing options available for larger treatments. Many Aspen Dental offices offer flexible payment plans to accommodate your budget. Utilize preventive care services to avoid costly treatments later. Regular cleanings and checkups can often minimize the need for serious procedures. If you need specific treatments, discuss all available options with your dentist. Some treatments may be eligible for alternate solutions that are less expensive. Ask your dental team about any available grants or assistance programs. Those programs can assist patients with limited income in managing dental costs. If you have dental insurance, be sure to provide that information during your appointment. Aspen Dental staff can help you maximize your benefits. Always clarify any out-of-pocket costs before proceeding with treatment. Finally, maintain good oral hygiene at home to reduce visits for emergency care. Following these steps can help you effectively manage and save on your dental care with Aspen Dental. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.